The Basic Freeze Alarm provides affordable protection for your home or cabin from damage caused by frozen burst pipes or failed air conditioning. It simply plugs into an existing telephone jack and calls any phone number you choose with a voice warning that temperatures are either too low or too high at your home or remote cabin. There are no monitoring fees or installation costs with the Basic Freeze Alarm. This video will walk you through the simple setup of the Basic Freeze Alarm. Your Basic Freeze Alarm comes with a 6-foot-long telephone cord and an instruction manual that details setup and operation. To complete the Basic Freeze Alarm setup, you will also need a 9-volt alkaline battery and a Phillips head screwdriver. These items are not included with your Basic Freeze Alarm. The first step to installing your Basic Freeze Alarm is to remove the 4 screws from the back cover. Next, locate the clip for the 9-volt battery. Attach the battery and position the battery into the battery compartment. With the cover still off, locate the 4 small dip switches in the lower left-hand corner of the unit. These switches are preset to the most popular options. Switch number 1 is factory set and should always be set to the left position. Switch number 2 indicates the number of rings the unit should wait before answering the alarm call-out. It is factory set in the right position to answer on 5 rings. The unit will answer on 10 rings if the switch is in the left position. Switch number 3 indicates the frequency of the alarm call-out. It is factory set in the right position to call out every 2 hours. The unit will call out every 15 minutes if the switch is set in the left position. Switch number 4 determines if the unit should call out on a drop in temperature or a rise in temperature. This switch is factory set to the right position to call when the temperature falls below 45 degrees. The unit will call out if the temperature rises above 85 degrees if this switch is set in the left position. With the battery installed and the dip switches set, you can now reassemble your unit with the 4 screws. Next, plug one end of the supplied telephone cord into the Basic Freeze Alarm. Then plug the other end of the telephone cord into an available telephone jack. You are now ready to program the call-out telephone number into your Basic Freeze Alarm. Begin by pressing and holding the pound key. While holding the pound key, enter the phone number exactly as if you would be dialing it on a regular telephone, including 1 and the area code for long distance if necessary. When you are done entering the phone number, release the pound key. The red light on the front of the unit will not be lit as you are programming the unit. It is important to verify that you have programmed your phone number correctly. To conduct a call-out test, press the star key until the red light on the front of the unit comes on. Then release the star key. The red light will remain on for approximately 1 minute while the Basic Freeze Alarm is dialing your programmed phone number. Have a person at the receiving end of this call answer the phone to hear the alarm voice message. This verifies that the unit has been programmed properly. Once you have completed this test, your Basic Freeze Alarm is ready to protect your home. Unplugging the unit from the phone outlet or changing the battery does not require reprogramming of the call-out number. The basic freeze alarm can be conveniently placed anywhere in your home or cabin where there's access to a phone outlet. If necessary, it can share this phone outlet with an existing telephone by using a dual phone jack adapter, which can be purchased separately. Thank you for choosing the Basic Freeze Alarm from Protected Home.